Unmute yourself, everyone. Good morning, students. Everyone. Good morning, everyone. And today discuss about the topic structure of atom. Structure of atom. Already previous class you have to discuss about the structure of atom. What is the atom? Smallest particle of an atom is called atom. Smallest particle is called atom. Smallest particle is called atom. Atom is the indivisible particle. Atom is the indivisible particle. And main topics in structure of atom, Bohr's atomic model. First of all, Bohr's atomic model. Bohr's atomic model. Actually, atoms divide into subatomic particles, electron, proton, neutron. And also, what is the importance of and characteristics of in discovered by the Niels Bohr atomic model? What is the characteristics? What is the importance of Bohr's model of an atom and hydrogen atom? We have to discuss about the Bohr's theory. Bohr's theory. Now, what is the Bohr's theory? Actually, Bohr's theory was explained to the in the center of the nucleus, outermost shell electrons is present. Outermost shell is present, electrons is present. These are electrons in present in nucleus. Protons plus neutrons. Protons plus neutrons. Protons, neutrons present ayi unte, that is called nucleus. And outermost shell is called electrons. Outermost shell is called electrons. Niels Bohr proposed the electrons in stationary orbits or fixed orbits. Stationary orbits. Niels Bohr proposed it. How to form two stationary orbits? Stationary orbits means standard proper lines. You have to circular lines. Circular path around the nucleus. Circular path around the nucleus. Certain fixed path. Stationary means okay circle lo pota unna ee vidhanga. And it will form to only one circle round this path. It is called stationary orbit or fixed orbits and different orbits. And also we form only one circle. And how to form to the ground state existed. You know that nucleus attraction between you have divided into E1, E2, E3 and write the names. Values are discovered by Bohr. E1, E2, E3. E1, E2, E3. Which is the ground state? Which is the exist state? It is attraction between the nucleus. Attraction between the nucleus is the most stable. Attraction E1 is the most stable. E2 is compared to E3 is the stable. E2 compared to the E2, E1 is the stable. Ground state, exist state level in order to explain to the Bohr's atomic model. And also you have to prove that hydrogen spectrum. Hydrogen spectrum also is an important. Bohr's hydrogen atom is the hydrogen means hydrogen atomic number 1. And also one electron only one orbit. One orbit you have to fill only one electron. One orbit filled with the only one electron. Remaining not there, you have to fill with the 2 electron. It is the stable S orbital. but only one electron will be filled. But how to explain only one electron only? ఒక్క ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయగలిగాడు నీల్సన్. It is formed to the one state stationary orbits. Different shapes of orbits, you have to explain only one. When electron jump from low energy state to higher energy state, today you will take some lines. Higher electron to lower electron jump, higher electron to lower electron jump. And also in ground state, already you know the ground state existed. Suppose 1s2, 2s2, 2p2 is there, carbon atom 6. When you have two atoms, two electrons, it is the ground state. It is not given any apply with energy. Energy అనేది అప్లై చేయనప్పుడు ఈ విధంగా గ్రౌండ్ స్టేట్ లో ఉంటుంది. When you have to apply with energy, that value also change. That means of energy state will be changed. When you have to exist, that value 2s orbital donate the 2p orbital. 2s orbital donate the 2p orbital. 2s1, 2p3. It is an existing ground state. The s orbital 1 is there, it is a stable. Because of 2 is there, s orbital 2 is there, because of it is a stable. In outermost cell 3 half field is present, it is a stable. Now how to, it absorbs energy, it emits energy. Absorbs means, you know that absorbing means electrons taking. Suppose example duster will be, you only have to sun rays, you have to apply with any black plate, that will be absorbed. When you have to sun rays, you have to apply with black plate, the sun rays will be attracted between to the absorb the sun rays in black plate. So much intensity of the electrons, because of in black plate absorb the electrons. Okay, now the energies of electron atom can only certain values E1, E2, E3. The energies of values E1, E2, E3, and how to more than attraction between to the less than attraction between to the electrons, in how to explain the spectral lines in hydrogen atom. And actually in Lyman spectrum, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett, P1 series, it is explained to the Bose theory, but it is not given to the our textbook. Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett, P1 series. That also spectral lines. And the energy level, possible values of energy level. Okay, how many energy levels will come? It is a one level, E1 level, E2 level, E3 level. How many energies is present? E1, E2, E3, and center of this called nucleus. And attraction is present in more attraction between to the E1, less attraction between to the E2, and less attraction between to the E3, that compared to the nucleus attraction. Actually, previous exam you have to give the energies of electron in atom have certain values E1, E2, E3. Certain values E1, E2, E3. E1, E2, E3 values given certain energies. What is called in particular stage you have to rounding. E path lone tiruguta unte first bit asked in previous class. E path lone tiruguta unte emanta vaati stationary orbits. Okay, the energy quantize quantized means energy means different energies will be produced, and constant electrons is formed to the one state only, one path lone తిరుగుతా ఉన్నాయి, only one path లోనే తిరుగుతా ఉన్నాయి. When you have to apply with energy, when you have to apply with energy, that will be this electron will be jump for the E2. One electron will be lost, that will jump to E2. In a E2 electron, one electron is taking a remove, that will be jump to E1. ఒక్కొక్క ఎలక్ట్రాన్ రిమూవ్ చేసే కొన్ని ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఏమవుతుంది అక్కడ లెస్ ఎనర్జీ ఫామ్ అయ్యి attraction between to the nucleus, attraction between to the nucleus. That is the Bohr's model of hydrogen. And Bohr's model of hydrogen atom, okay, this one you have to write E1, E2, E3 values and certain fixed part called orbits, orbital difference, orbital, that also most important. Circular path is called orbit, and probability of finding out an electron is called orbital. How much electrons in satisfying one orbit, that is called probability of finding out an electron is called orbital. Maximum probability of an electron if find out that called orbital. It also most important, orbital definitions, orbital. Next, Bohr's model of hydrogen are the characteristics asking. Characteristics and which is the main importance, and already previous class asking that one. What asking? Wait, I will checking. The previous class asking about the orbital definitions. What is the difference between the orbital definitions and the what is the limitation of atomic model? Limitations. This is the most important. What is the limitation of Bohr's atomic model? It was not explained to the correctly line spectra. It was not correctly. It is not correctly explained to the line spectrum, and also Heisenberg uncertainty principle, and also Zeeman effect and Stark effect is not explained to the clearly. It is the limitations about the Bohr's model of an atom. Bohr's model of an atom is not explain to the line spectra. One electron కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటే explain చేయలేకపోయింది Bohr's model. And what is the spectrum? And also Bohr's model failed to accounting of splitting of spectra. That means electrons will be sharing, and that means how to cutting small particles will be divided. Why will changing? Actually, it is a black plate. How to apply with energies? This means you have to apply with sun rays. You have to apply with black plate. It means spectrum out. This type will form. What is the reason it will form to the splitting of spectral lines? ఎందుకు ఈ విధంగా బ్లాక్ ప్లేట్ పంపిస్తే బ్లాక్ ప్లేట్ మీద కొన్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేసి కొన్ని సన్ రేస్ ఏం చేస్తుంది అంటే ఎటు పడితే అటు పంపించేస్తాం. అంటే some observing, some is not observing and going about the splitting of spectral lines. అంటే different types లో form చేస్తాం. What is the reason? You could not explain to the Bohr's model. You could not explain to the splitting of spectral lines. Splitting of spectral lines. You could not explain to the splitting of spectral lines. And next to it is the most important question. And next to limitation is most important. Heisenberg uncertainty principle not explained, and also Zeeman effect and Stark effect. What is the meaning of Zeeman effect and Stark effect? Electric field you have to apply, that is called Zeeman effect. Magnetic field you have to apply Stark effect. Only difference between the electric field, magnetic field. Electric field, magnetic field. That is the difference between the Zeeman effect, Stark effect. Okay, now Bose-Sommerfeld model of an atom. And next, we could not explain the Bose model some spectral lines. And how to next Sommerfeld explain to the that topic only. It is circular path is saying Bose model. Circular path lone తిరుగుతాయి అని చెప్పింది ఎవరు Bose model. And how to coming with to now how to coming with to Sommerfeld. Sommerfeld saying about the it is not circular path, it is also formed elliptical orbits, elliptical path, elliptical path. Elliptical path means some different values. These are circular is there, center of the called nucleus is there, and also L is equal 0 value is coming is the circular. When you have to apply circular in elliptical orbits, center of the orbit, L is equal 0, L is equal, and this means the shape will be elliptical orbits. Sommerfeld explained to the these are circular path not how. It is also involving elliptical path. Elliptical path. We form the elliptical path also. And circular orbit anytime how the 0. When you have the elliptical orbit, you have to say L is equal to 1. And also circular orbit and changing to the L is equal to 0, L is equal to 1, L is equal to 2 elliptical orbit, 2 or more elliptical, 2 or 3 orbits have to present. Different path will be formed, and also the size will be the circular path not is called elliptical orbit, elliptical path you have to form. L is equal 0 and 2 or 3 elements also different path you have to form. It was explained to the Sommerfeld. Once again, Sommerfeld. And L is equal 3 will take L is equal 3. L is equal 3 will take. The type you have to changing into different types of orbits. L is equal 0, L is equal 1, L is equal 2, L is equal 3. And different types of elliptical orbits you will form the path different types. That is explained to the Sommerfeld. And also, what is the spelling of line spectra, also called fine spectra. Spelling of line spectra, also called fine spectra. It is the most important bit. Spelling of spectra lines will be for line spectra, another name, or fine spectra. Fine spectra. How many spectrum atoms you will apply? One atom. That will be changed into so many lines. That is spelling of spectra. And also, while remaining both circular orbit, such as added to elliptical orbit. Both model you have to explain to the circular orbit. And also, Sommerfeld will explain to the circular orbit is present in center of the atom. But you have to prove that elliptical orbit also you have to form L is equal to 1, L is equal to 2, L is equal to 3. Different values you will take, that will be also changed. And also elliptical orbit 2 or 3 you have to apply with. That will be shapes also you have to change. X shape, you will form the X shape will be formed. X shape will be formed. The type you have called elliptical path. Elliptical path. Okay, now how to spectring of spectral lines, atomic spectrum satisfactory. 1 electron above you could not explain. Okay, electron could explain the Bohr's model. This model how to explain to the remaining all structure of atom in generally satisfactory. Bohr-Sommerfeld successfully explained to the Bohr-Sommerfeld explained to the fine spectra, line spectra, fine spectra, line spectra. Next to quantum mechanical model. Quantum mechanical model. Who discovered a quantum mechanical model? Erwin Schrödinger. Erwin Schrödinger. He was quantum mechanical model discovered by Erwin Schrödinger. Erwin Schrödinger. What is the quantum? You know that quantum means, listen carefully, quantum means in bundles of book. Example. Quantum means once you have to throwing example. When you have to apply with the sunrise in your black plate, that will observe that give bundle of books and bundle of electrons. When you have to apply with the sunrise in black plate, when you have to apply with in black plate sunrays, that will be absorbed and give electrons and give so many electrons. So many electrons means so many bundle of electrons will be given. అంటే చాలా ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ అనేది గివ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ గా ఎనర్జీగా తీసుకుంది. అంటే you take sun rays in black plate and give so many electrons and give these so many electrons. That is called photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect. That is called quantum. Quantum is so many electrons giving one atom. One black atom, you have black plate, you have to absorb the sun rays and use so many electrons. Bundle of the electrons. That is called quantum. That is called quantum. Quantum mechanical model also explained to the electron revolve around the nucleus, different path called orbit. He was also explained to the different path of orbits he will form. Circular path, the electron and will form the electron revolve around the nucleus. Certain fixed path is called orbit. It is correct only. But also we was proved that dark light when how to apply with to torchlight or anything in brightness anything you have to apply, any substance you have to apply in dark light, in dark place you have to apply with to dark place లో ఎప్పుడైతే నువ్వు వెలుగు అంటే సన్ రైస్ and how to apply with sunrise or torchlight or any produce of brightness values ఎప్పుడైతే అప్లై చేస్తావో that will be showing on small particles. And that you have to electrons are indivisible naked eye. Electrons manaki indivisible because of it is not indivisible by naked eye. Aito manam chodagalama electrons not. You know that sun rays will be produced, some small particle will be visible. When you have to sitting the classroom, sunrise will be formed in window లో నుంచి కిటికీలో నుంచి మనకు సన్రైజ్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసినప్పుడు స్మాల్ పార్టికల్స్ అనేవి కనబడతాయి. స్మాల్ పార్టికల్ that type how to showing on electrons. That you have to explain to the quantum mechanical model. Okay, next to most important question, quantum numbers. quantum numbers. Four types are discovered by quantum numbers. One is the principal quantum number. Another one is the angular momentum or azimuthal quantum number. Angular momentum or azimuthal quantum number. And two names we have to discover. In second one, angular momentum or azimuthal quantum number. Angular momentum or azimuthal quantum number. First, quantum numbers. Principal quantum number. Principal quantum number. All numbers have to listen this one. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో ఉన్నాయి మొత్తం రాయాల్సిన పని లేదు. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో ఇచ్చినవి కానీ మెటీరియల్ లో ఇచ్చిన కానీ అన్ని రాయాల్సిన పని లేదు. ఓన్లీ 4 పాయింట్స్ ఈచ్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ క్వాంటం నెంబర్, అజిముతల్ క్వాంటం నెంబర్ అండ్ యాంగులర్ మొమెంటం క్వాంటం నెంబర్, మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ క్వాంటం నెంబర్, స్పిన్ క్వాంటం నెంబర్. ఈచ్ quantum number you have to write 4 lines, 4 points. Each orbit, each quantum number you have to write 4 points. The most important points. First one is the principal quantum number discovered by who discovered by principal quantum number? Niels Bohr. Who discovered by principal quantum number? Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr explained to the principal quantum number. It is denoted by symbol. It is denoted by symbol n, small n. It is denoted by symbol n. N values, and also n values 1, 2, 3, and so on. How to discover n values 1, 2, 3. And also third point, which is what is explained to the principal quantum number? Main topic. What is explained to the principal quantum number? Size of the orbit, shape of the orbit. Size and shape. Which is explained to principal quantum number? Size and shape of the orbit. Size and shape of the orbits. Shape of the orbits. Size and shape of the orbits. And next point, what is the writing of the nucleus? N is integer values. We was explained to the KLM. It was discovered by also n values. Fourth point, K1, L2, M3, N4. And discovered by values of size and shape of energy and values also. And how to prove it is one principal quantum number. This quantum number how to prove that only center of the orbit is nucleus and different path will form orbits. Different circular path is revolve around the nucleus orbit, and also different values given. Decide of K, L, M. Decide 1, 2, 3. K equal to 1 value, L equal to 2 value, M is equal 3 value. This type we have to prove that. Niels Bohr principal quantum number. These are these 4 points only, right? Principal quantum number. This small parts only. Small points only. It's not big point, small points only. Okay. First of all, who is this called? Niels Bohr. And next you denoted by symbol n and n value 1, 2, 3. And size and shape of orbit how to explain to the this principal quantum number. And also K value 1, L value 2, and M value 3, N value 4. This type of discovered values. This is the main topic of principal quantum number. Next to azimuthal quantum number or angular momentum. Angular momentum. What is the symbol of angular momentum? First of all, who discovered by angular momentum? Sommerfeld. Who discovered by angular momentum? Sommerfeld. Sommerfeld. Who discovered by angular momentum? Sommerfeld. And next second point, which symbol have to denoted by L value? L values 0 to n minus 1. 0 to n minus 1. 0 to n minus 1. L values how much is present? 0 to n minus 1. L values 0 to n minus. It is symbol denoted by L. L value 0 to n minus 1. And also, which you have to explain to the, it is explained to the, which is explained to the, which type of size, angular momentum quantum number you have to form, and also each related shape of the orbit subshell in around the nucleus. It was denoted, it was, which is explained to the angular momentum, shape of the orbit, shape of the, only shape of the orbit, and size and energy writing, sorry, size and shape writing, size and energy, sorry for the size and energy, how described by shape, size and energy described by principal quantum number, shape of the orbit described by angular momentum, shape of the orbit, shape of the orbit, shape of the orbit described by angular momentum, and also Sommerfeld described, and L value 0 to n minus 1, 0 to n minus 1. L values in subshell how to describe. Fourth point, L values and subshell values. L value 0, S subshell, S subshell, 1 is present, P subshell, 2 is present, D subshell, 3 is present, F subshell. And values out, find out the shape of the orbit, and S is the spherical is present, and how much is present? L is the 0. L is the 0. 0 means you know that all of you. S value means S is the spherical, P is the dumbbell, D is the double dumbbell, F is the four-fold double dumbbell. Four-fold double dumbbell. This type we have to form angular momentum. Understand? I think the angular momentum, principal quantum number, only 4 points. Don't write any extra points. Only 4 points. You write each quantum number. Principal quantum number, angular quantum number. Next to magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number discovered by, magnetic quantum number discovered by, who discovered magnetic quantum number? Lande. Who discovered? Lande. Discovered by Lande. Once again I will repeat. Who discovered by angular magnetic quantum number? Lande. And it is denoted by symbol, and denoted by symbol ML. M is the magnetic quantum number. L values, you will find out the value values in this magnetic quantum number because ML, because you will write the ML, and values ML minus L to plus L, minus L to plus L, including 0, including 0, including 0. Second point, who is first point, who discovered by magnetic quantum number Lande. Second point, who is, what is the value ML, and also ML values is present minus L to plus L, including 0. Including 0. And as the third point, it was discovered by the orientation of orbit. Orientation means one round. Circular path. How to start is ఇక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయ్యింది, ఈ విధంగా స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి ఈ విధంగా మళ్ళీ అదే ప్లేస్ కి వస్తే దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఓరియంటేషన్. ఓరియంటేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్బిట్. ఇట్ వాస్ డిస్కవర్డ్ బై ఓరియంటేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్బిటాల్స్. Orientation of orbitals. Orientation of orbitals discovered by magnetic quantum number. And also formula, you have some formula is there, 2 into 2L or 2 into not there, 2L plus 1. Only 2L plus 1 is the formula, 2L plus 1. 2L plus 1. Only L value, you have to substitute any substance, S value, P value, and Q, S, P, D values, you know that. S. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Phone call coming. Okay, now Delhi. Delhi 2L plus 1 is the L is equal to 2L plus okay, mobile. And how to find out the formula? L is equal to 2L plus 1. And how to 2L plus 1 you have to discover. L is equal to 0 is there. L is equal to 0 is there. Now substitute L value. 2 into 0 plus 1. 2 into 0 to 0. 0 plus 1 1. How much value is present in ML value? Minus ML value is present only when how to 0 is present, 1 is only present. Because of 2L plus 1, you have to values follow the minus L plus L including 0. Minus 1 plus 1 including 0. When you have to write it minus L to plus L including 0, you will write also value. Minus 1, 2 plus 1 including 0. Minus 1, 2 plus L including 0. That value so, and also how to give you 4 marks question in previous exam. What is the shape of orbitals in Px, Py, Pz or dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square of shape of the orbit. Shape of the orbits. How to prove that? Draw the shape of the orbit dx square minus y square. Draw the shape of. What is the draw the shape of the dx square minus y square? What is the shape of dx square minus y square? In this question only, that only dx square minus y square. X-axis, y-axis you will take. X-axis, y-axis. Z-axis you will take. Then you have to change into x-axis, y-axis. X to y, okay. But x square minus y square. That means of x2 is there, y2 is there. Because you will write very small things. The shape of the dx square minus y square. Dx square minus y square orbital shape. The structure you will write 2 marks. Given the structure you will write 2 marks in previous exam. What is the shape or draw the shape of orbital dx square minus y square. Dx square minus y square. That means x y means you are not coming with in the holes. అంటే 4 ఇక్కడ లోపల హోల్స్ వచ్చాయి కదా, లోపల లోబ్స్ వచ్చాయి కదా, లోపల లోబ్స్. ఈ లోబ్స్ రావు. dx minus y అయితే అది రావు. dxy, dyz, dzx, already you know that dx square minus y square, this is the shape of the orbit. In present it is the x-axis x square, and 2 lobes, 4 lobes is present, 2 lobes and 2 lobes, and also extra lobes is present 2 square, x square minus y square. This is the structure of dx square minus y square structure. Already in this class we will ask you dz square also, dz square, dz square x y z. When how to z square is z only, you will apply it to lobes, but also how to from the nucleus చుట్టూ ఏ విధంగా తిరుగుతో ఈ విధంగా స్ట్రక్చర్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతా ఉంది. That is called baby Sutre. Baby Sutre exam. Baby Sutre. dz square is the in only 2 lobes, but the center of the atom is counting. That means you have to counting with all the atoms. And the attraction between the nucleus in the attraction between the surroundings. dz square orbital. dz square orbital. This is a baby Sutre structure. Okay. It is a ds square minus y square, which shape is present, dumbbell or double dumbbell. This is a double dumbbell is present, double dumbbell, and are also called fourth pole double dumbbell. Okay. Next to values given, and values is most important. How to find out the values? Tables. Next to spin quantum number. Spin quantum number, who discovered by spin quantum number? Uhlenbeck and Gauss-Smith. Uhlenbeck and Gauss-Smith. Who discovered by the spin quantum number? Bhargav Dixit. Unmute yourself. Bhargav Dixit. Unmute yourself. Say, what is your doubt? Bhargav Dixit. Bhargav Dixit. Bhargav Dixit. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Allow you. Spin quantum number. Now, spin quantum number. Spin quantum number discovered by Uhlenbeck and Gauss-Smith. Uhlenbeck and Gauss-Smith. Spin quantum number. Spin quantum number discovered by Uhlenbeck. It is not given materials and also not given about the textbooks. In what is the who discovered by names not given. Okay, Uhlenbeck and Gauss-Smith. Spin quantum number discovered by Uhlenbeck and Gauss-Smith, and also it is denoted by symbol ms. It is denoted by symbol ms. What is the values of ms? Plus of 2 or minus of, minus of and plus of. In clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction. Plus of means clockwise direction, plus Plus of is clockwise direction, minus of is anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. You are discovered by spin quantum number is type of clockwise and anti-clockwise. What is the discovered by value? What is the discovered by the spin quantum number? This is spin quantum number discovered by how many electrons is present in one orbit. And also, what is the spin rotation? Spin of the orbital discovered by the spin of the orbital discovered by the spin quantum number. Spin of the orbital discovered by the spin quantum number. Spin quantum number. And also, you have to write both points clockwise direction plus of anti-clockwise direction minus of clockwise direction plus of anti-clockwise direction is minus of. This is the quantum number. And next, electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. What is the electronic configuration? You know that electronic configuration. How to write the one atom, one electron, one element? How to write the electronic configuration? Suppose example, we have discovered by NLX method. Electronic configuration discovered by NLX method. NLX method means principal quantum number. How many numbers is present? Principal quantum number. N is the principal quantum number. Principal quantum number. N is the principal quantum number. L is the angular moment of quantum number. Angular moment of quantum number. Angular moment of quantum number. X is the how many electrons is number of electrons is present in one orbit. Number of electrons. Number of orbits or number of electrons. Number of electrons is present in discovered by X1. N is the principal quantum number. L is the angular momentum or axial quantum number, and number of electrons. You have to write one example. Suppose example hydrogen 1s1 is the N subshell. N value 1. N value 1. How to find out L value? S is 0. L value how much? S value S are 0. L value 0. And how much is and how to find out the ML value? ML value, magnetic quantum number. ML value, how to find out this value? ML value, find out the N is equal L minus 1 formula I have to apply. N is equal L minus 1. N is equal L minus 1. You have to apply with the formula. N value, how much is there? N is equal L minus 1. How much is N minus? How much is present? N is equal N minus 1. L is equal N minus 1. L is equal N minus 1. L is equal N minus 1 formula I have to apply with ML value. How much value? N 1. N value how much? 1. 1 minus 1 0. ML value how much? 0. Age ichina make important. Electronic configuration lo N, L, ML, MS and 4 orbits kanukomante itfa. Okay, N value 1. S ikkada S unte 1, P unte 1, P L S unte 0, P unte 1, D unte 2, F unte 3. The type only right. Most important. Okay. Next, how to find out the ML value, magnetic quantum number value. You will find out the L is equal N minus 1 formula. L is equal N minus 1 formula. How to apply with L is equal N minus 1 formula? L is equal N minus 1. N means 1. 1 minus 1, 0. ML value 0. And spin quantum number, MS value. MS value. How to find out the MS value? MS value. Plus of and minus of. Plus of or minus of. Plus of or minus of. you will write this type of any value given, any value, and also previous exam have to given which value given. Wait, previous exam one value given 2p4, 2p4, 2p4 given, 2p4. This value given previous exam question paper 2p4. You will find out the n value 2 and p value, l value how much? P means SOP 1. Okay. Now we have to L is equal n minus 1 formula apply 2 minus 1 1. How much is present m value? 1. L is equal n minus 1 value apply 1 value and s ms is a plus of or minus of, plus of or minus of, plus of or minus of. 2p4 only. పూర్తిగా ఓరియంటేషన్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవ్వాల. ఓన్లీ వన్ ఓరియంటేషన్ ఓన్లీ. ఒక్క 2p3 ఉందనుకో ఓన్లీ వన్ హాఫ్ ఫీల్డ్. హాఫ్ ఫీల్డ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ప్లస్ హాఫ్ వచ్చింది. హాఫ్ ఫీల్డ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు 2p3 ఉందనుకో ఈ ప్లేస్ లో హాఫ్ ఫీల్డ్ ప్లస్ హాఫ్. 2p4 అంటే ఓరియంటేషన్ జరిగింది. ఆర్బిట్ ఫిల్ అయింది. చూడండి 1 2 3 అండ్ ఆల్సో రిమైన్ ఇంకోటి కూడా ఏమైంది హాఫ్ ఫీల్డ్ ఫామ్ అయింది. ఓరియంటేషన్ జరిగింది. స్పిన్ జరిగింది. కాబట్టి 2p4 ఇక్కడ ఓరియంటేషన్ జరుగుతుంది కాబట్టి it is plus half and minus half. When you have to give 2p3 that is plus half one orientation ఒక్కసారి మాత్రమే జరిగింది. రెండోసారి జరగల. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ Pauli's exclusive principle. Pauli's exclusive principle, Kunz rule, Oppo principles. Most important Pauli's exclusive principle, Pauli's exclusive principle and Oppo principle and Kunz rule. It is the most important rules of the in quantum number. This is the 2 marks compulsory is coming. First of all, Pauli's exclusive principle. Pauli's exclusive principle. Pauli's exclusive principle. Pauli's exclusive principle saying about the one orbit, how many electrons is present, how many maximum electrons will be present? 2 electrons, but one is 2 is same side is present. No, it is saying about the opposite spins. Opposite spins. Hydrogen you will take 1s1, only one orbit. When you have to take helium 1s2, helium is saying about the opposite spin. No direction correct. Saying it is same direction is not present, same direction is present is wrong. Opposite spin anyhow to form, that is correct. Once again Pauli's exclusive principle saying, according to Pauli's exclusive principle, no 2 electrons is same side. No 2 electrons is present same side. No 2 electrons is present same side of the atom and can have all 4 quantum numbers. ఏ quantum numbers లో అయినా no 2 electrons is same side of the atom. ఒక వైపే ఉండకూడదు. 4 quantum numbers present opposite spins. He was saying about the Pauli's exclusive principle. He was saying about the Pauli's exclusive principle. No 2 electrons is present in opposite. No 2 electrons is present same side of the atom. It is a present one orbit, different side or opposite spins. This present is called explained to the Pauli's exclusive principle. ఒకే సైడ్ ఉండకూడదు, ఆపోజిట్ స్పిన్ ఉండాలి. It was explained to the police exclusive principle. Next of all, next to police after Argo principle. Argo principle. Argo principle. Argo principle. Argo principle saying about the Argo principle. Maximum electron accommodated shell 2x square. How many electrons present? Maximum electrons accommodated shell one shell 2x square formula you have to apply. Maximum electron will be found. And next we have to saying about the Rocco principle and maximum electrons accommodated shell. You have to apply with the 2 into 12 minus 12 plus 1 formula. 2 into 12 plus 1 formula. You have to apply with how many electrons is present, S value, P value, D value, F value. You are saying about the how many electrons, maximum electrons accommodated S shell, P shell, D shell, S, P, D, F. Different type of cells you have to form that saying about the which shape and how much value is present. You have to apply with the S value 2 into 2 0 plus 1. How much? 2 into 0 0. 2 into 0 0. 2 into 1 2. How much value is present? S value 2. P value how to apply? P value is 2 into 1 plus 1. 2 1s plus 1. 2 3s. How much? 6. 2 comma 6. And how the D value? D value how much coming? D value 10. D value 10. Okay. How many electrons is present? S value 2 electron, maximum electron. And how many orbits is present in, how many electrons is present in maximum electrons in present in P shell? 6. D value, how many electrons will be present in D subshell? 10. You will apply with the formula. You will apply with the formula you are coming 2 6 10 14. And you have so many SPDF and GHS and so many elements you have to discover by how many maximum electrons in accommodated one shell. ఒక షెల్ లో ఎన్ని ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఉంటాయో డెఫినెట్ చేయగలిగితే ఆర్గో ప్రిన్సిపల్. ఓకే, మాయిలర్ డయాగ్రామ్ రైటింగ్. మాయిలర్ డయాగ్రామ్ is the most important. 1s 2s 3s 4s 5s 6s 7s 8s. And write the 2p 3p 4p 5p 6p 7p. This type of writing about that electronic configuration. Now 3d 4d 5d 6d. Next 4f 5f 4f 5f. To write the 1s 2s 2p 3s and 2p 1s 2s 2p 2p 3s and 3p 4s 3p 4s 3d 4p 5s. Once you have to check this one, first 1s less than 2s less than 2p less than 3s less than 3p less than 4s less than 3d 4p 5s 4d after 5p after 6s 6s after 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, and 5f, and 6d, 7p, 8s. This type of electronic configuration increasing order of the electronic configuration. 1s after fill 2s, 2s after fill 2p, 2p after 3s, 3s fill 3p, 3p fill 4s, 3d, next 3d, 3d fill 4p, 4p fill 5s, 4d, 5p, 4s, 6s, 4s, 5d, 6p, 7s. This type only when electrons, which electron, how many electronic? So 118 elements is there, 118 elements. Any elements electronic configuration right. But one is found. Previous class given copper chromium electronic configuration. Copper and zinc. Electronic configuration given copper, zinc. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and 3s2 fill after 3p6 and 4s2 3d10 and write it 3d10 or 4s2. Okay. Now, sorry, this one copper. Copper means 4s1 only. 4s1. Copper atomic number 29. Copper atomic number 29. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. When how to chemical? ఎందుకు వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ 4s1 అంటే one electron donated is stable. In outermost cell is stable. ఒక electron donate చేస్తే ఇది stable because of it is ఒక electron పోయిన s orbital okay, it is constant. But when I have to saying about the ఒక electron donate, one electron donate the 3d orbital, it is the stable. Next to zinc, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10. It is the electronic configuration of the copper and zinc. Copper and zinc. This type you have to write. ఇక్కడ చెక్ చేసుకోండి ఒకసారి మీరు ఈ మైలా డయాగ్రామ్ వేసి ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ రైట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్. అటామిక్ నంబర్ and electronic configuration. This Euler diagram. Any electronic configuration you have to write the Euler diagram. ఈ Euler diagram నుంచి ఏ electronic configuration అయినా రాయొచ్చు. Okay. Only copper and chromium. Wait. Ferrous iron. Actually 20 scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium and copper only. Chromium, copper only, you will confuse electronic configuration. Chromium atomic number 24. But you have to change into values. Chromium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 10, 12, 18, 4s, wait, 24, 10, 12, 18, wait, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s, 2, 4s2, 4s1, 3d5, 4s1, 3d5, 4s1, 3d5. Why will changing in place? Actually 4s2, 3d4, 4s2, 3d4. But it is stable in outermost cell because of half fill is the present. It is the stable because donating 4s orbital 1 electron donate the 3d orbital. It is the stable. Don't confuse copper chromium. It's only different. Copper chromium only different. The remaining all you will write this type of only copper chromium. Okay, next to only one topic is there remaining. Unsuru. What they explain to the Unsuru? Unsuru will explain to the degenerate orbitals. What is the meaning of degenerate orbitals? Degenerate orbitals means Suppose example carbon 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. When how to two electrons is present, only two electrons only is present. When how to sharing of 2s orbital, 2p orbital, one electron exist state, it is a ground state. We have to form exist state. It is donated by sharing of orbital. Degenerate orbital means orientation of orbital. ఒక ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఇక్కడ ఒక ఫామ్ లో ఒక విధంగా ఫిల్ అయిపోయింది, అప్వర్డ్ లో ఫిల్ అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ 2p4 ఉంది ఇక్కడ. నెక్స్ట్ హౌ టు ఫిల్ విత్ ఆపోజిట్ స్పిన్. ఇక్కడ 3 ఆర్బిటాల్ ఒకే సైడ్ లో నిండితే నెక్స్ట్ ఆపోజిట్ స్పిన్ లో మళ్ళీ ఫిల్ అవ్వాలి. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ degenerate orbital. Degenerate orbitals. What is the saying of Hund's rule? According to rule, electron pairing of orbital state only when available empty orbital same energy is present, empty orbital, you will apply with to another orbital లో ఉన్న ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ని డొనేట్ చేయగలే capability ఉంది, డొనేట్ చేయగలగాలి. That is called Hund's rule. Example, and also activity 3 electronic configurations. Fill the blanks. అక్కడ ఫిల్ చేయండి మొత్తం. ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాం యాక్టివిటీ 3 లో. I think already all members have to fill the electronic configuration. ఈ బాయిలర్ డయాగ్రామ్ చూసి అన్ని ఫిల్ చేయొచ్చు. అక్కడ ఇచ్చింది 20 ఎలిమెంట్స్, ఓన్లీ గివెన్ 20 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్. ఓకే.